So when I first started, my fasting glucose was in the 160s. And now, 4 months later, my fasting blood sugar is regularly between 80 and like 95. Before, I was 250 pounds. Since starting mastering diabetes, 4 months later, I was 189 pounds. I've lost 60 pounds and hopefully, and still going. My goal is to lose 100 pounds, so I've got 40 to go. I was disappointed and angry with myself, but I was also scared, and I started to do some research. I didn't feel good. The way that I discovered that I had diabetes is I didn't feel good. I was very lightheaded and I felt sick and I didn't know what was going on. And so when I realized that it was diabetes, I started looking online at different options because I knew it was something that you could do something about. And I was hoping to do it without medication or without having to go to the doctor, because even though I know that diabetes medication works for some people as far as helping them manage their blood sugar, I wanted something more holistic and more permanent that would actually really repair the problem. So I was looking online and I indirectly discovered Mastering Diabetes on YouTube. They have videos on YouTube. And so I watched some of their videos and it seemed like the right thing for me. So I booked a call and I spoke with Robbie on the phone. And he really won me over. I loved his attitude and I loved his approach. And I could tell that he really genuinely cared and really wanted to help people. And that was all I needed. It's changed my whole life. For about 10 years, I was in the medical industry and I worked in hospitals. So I saw up close what poorly managed diabetes looked like. The things that people with diabetes go through with their health is horrendous. And I was really afraid of that. I didn't want to live like that. I didn't want to get worse and worse, because a lot of the time, the traditional approaches to diabetes, even if people do everything that they think they're supposed to be doing, that they're recommended to do, it still just continues to get worse. And over time, they have to take more and more medication, and there's more and more side effects and more complications. I want to live my life. I want to travel and I want to have great adventures, and I want to be able to enjoy the second half of my life. Getting diabetes is what made me realize that. I knew that I wasn't going to be able to do that without getting a really good handle on my health. My overall impression in the beginning was very positive. Everyone was so nice and they were so supportive, and the community was really great. There are some rock stars in that community. They're always on posting different recipes and showing videos of how to do things, and all the information that's on there is really helpful. They have 1,000 tutorials for how to meal prep, how to make certain foods, how to maximize your results, trying to front load your meals in the day and eating less at night. It helps your blood sugar come down in the morning, and just so much information. And it was all so positive, and they were all so kind and gentle and encouraging as far as just progress, just a little bit in the right direction. They're just trying to get you to take one good step in the right direction at a time until you can get to a point where it gets more comfortable for you. And I really appreciated and enjoyed that. But as far as it being high carb in the beginning, I was nervous because I wasn't sure. I told Robbie, he said, try one of the recipes. And I said, I don't think I can do it yet. I don't think I can do it yet. And he said, trust me. Just try one and then let me know how it goes. And I said, okay. So I tried there was a salad in the first week. It's beets and apples and arugula and carrots with some balsamic vinegar on it. It was delicious. The way that they design the recipes, when you eat all those leafy greens with your fruit, it doesn't impact you badly at all. And so, of course, I messaged him later. I said, you were right. It was great. I eat so much fruit now, it's ridiculous. Every day I have greens and beans at breakfast. I have greens and beans at lunch. That was one of the best parts of the whole program, is learning that I can still eat what I love and enjoy my food. And now my body is healing and can process it better. So when I first started, my fasting glucose was in the 160s. And now, 4 months later, my fasting blood sugar is regularly between 80 and 95. Before, I was 250 pounds. Since starting Mastering Diabetes 4 months later, I was 189 pounds. I've lost 60 pounds and hopefully, and still going. My goal is to lose 100 pounds, so I've got 40 to go. It's the easiest I've ever lost weight. I can't even believe how easy it is and how much I'm enjoying myself and how much more energy I have. I go to the gym now too, so I'm very confident in saying that I'm going to reach that goal. I'm going to be 150 pounds probably by summer. Marco, my coach, told me in the very beginning, he said, you're going to notice that your tastes will change and you won't miss the foods that you used to eat anymore. And I didn't believe him. I've loved food for a long time, Marco. That's I don't think that's going to change. Because I really wanted to get better, I said, it's okay. I'm going to make this sacrifice for my health. I'm going to cut these foods out for my health and I'm going to do the right thing for myself. But I did not believe for 1 second that I was ever going to not miss them. Lo and behold, I almost never think about foods I used to eat. And I had no idea how much of that was routine. I had no idea how much of the foods that I thought I liked, it was just because that was what I was eating at the time. And I didn't know any better. And so like now we have like a chickpea scramble that they introduced very early on in the program. I eat it for breakfast almost every day. It's delicious. I feel amazing after I eat it. And there's no limits to how much I can eat. When you're eating that kind of food, you can't overeat it. If I'm hungry, I eat and it's fine. What's nice too is like I'm very seldom hungry outside of mealtime anymore because it's such satisfying food. I like to make myself these harissa butter beans. It's chopped up kale and butter beans and harissa paste and onions and garlic and such. And it's delicious. And I'll usually have it with a sweet potato at lunchtime. I'm never hungry. My best friend made a cheesecake and I had a bite of cheesecake. And I really, really thought that I had missed it before that. And after I ate it, I thought, no, I don't. I don't miss these things. I don't want them anymore because they don't serve me. It's a change that I didn't expect. And I told Marco, I said, you were right. I don't miss any of it anymore. I love the food I eat now, and I wouldn't change it for anything. It's wonderful. I will say what Mastering Diabetes has given me is the knowledge and power that I needed to thrive. They educated me and gave me the tools I needed to thrive in my life. And that's probably the best way I can say what they've given me. You've got all these people that are going through the same thing you are, and they all have great ideas and you share your ideas. And so you get this amazing community and support. Not that long ago, I sent him a message and I said, the second half of my life is going to be so different now. And it's all in a good way. But I can tell you that I'm going to be happier and healthier and more vibrant and more excited by life because of these little dietary changes and these little daily habit changes that I've made. One thing at a time, one little step at a time. I changed all these little things and now my whole life is different. And the way I see the future is different. I said in my goals, I want to lose 100 pounds and I want to live a life full of adventure and I want to have great love in my life. And now I believe those are all possible. And I didn't believe that back then. I didn't believe I was going to ever have any of that. I thought I was going to live a long, sad, lonely life. And so to be able to look at my life now and be hopeful about it, not even just hopeful, but certain that all these wonderful things are going to happen purely because I'm taking better care of myself and I've regained my health and happiness with this program. I can't express how grateful I am or how different my outlook on life is now.
Real quick, I've got a gift for you. It's our free Mastering Diabetes Meal Guide. The exact system our team spent hundreds of hours creating to help people lower blood sugar and reverse insulin resistance naturally. Inside, we show you the specific foods that make your cells more insulin sensitive, not less. You'll learn how to build meals that clear fat out of your liver and muscle tissue, restoring your body's ability to move glucose from your bloodstream into your cells. It's a science-backed blueprint with recipes, grocery lists, and real-world meals that thousands of our clients use to drop their fasting numbers, boost energy, and watch their A1C fall naturally. And here's the best part. It's completely free. All you have to do is comment the word guide below and we'll send it straight to you. No catch, no strings, just the exact framework that's helped thousands of people finally take control of their blood sugar and their life once again. Until next time, keep those carbs high and that A1C low.